Hey guys, welcome to my workshop. My name is Tim. This is New Craft Workshop. If you've been here before, we welcome you back. If you haven't been here before, what took you so long? So welcome in.
It's about time.
So today we're doing another video where we're going to give you 5 more products you should be buying on Amazon to save yourself some money in your shop. So let's get right into it with number 1. All right, number 1 is going to be CA glue. This CA glue works just as good as any that I have found at the specialty stores or the big box stores. The pack that I buy on Amazon comes with 2 of these cans. Each one of these cans is 17 ounces, and each bottle of this is, I think, 4.5 ounces. So you're getting 9 ounces of glue, 34 ounces of activator. Now, I'm going to pop up right here some pricing and give you some comparisons like we did on the last video. So this is what you're going to pay at Rockler, and as you can see, based on the sizes of the glue that you're getting, it's not as much glue nor as much activator for a higher cost. Same with what I'm going to show you right here from Woodcraft. So CA glue is something I use 99% of the time to hold my material together temporarily while I'm getting ready to attach it permanently. Most of the time I'm using this, it's for simple things like miter joints. No one that I know of uses this as a replacement for wood glue or as any type of permanent fastening device. So in my shop, CA glue is CA glue. Save yourself some money. Get this stuff off of Amazon. All right, the second thing we're going to talk about getting on Amazon is going to be drawer slides. I have very few uses for a drawer slide other than to slide open a drawer. So where I get them from is completely irrelevant. This is an item that I want to save money on when I can. As you can see, I'm going to pop up some prices again from the specialty stores, and then I'll show you at the very end what I pay for 6 of these on Amazon. I'm literally getting these for 60% cheaper than you're going to pay at the specialty stores. I've had zero problem with these. They are full extension. They snap back into place when you close your drawer, and they do have the easy toggle for removing the extension to get these mounted on your drawers. So item 2, drawer slides. Save yourself some money. Get these things on Amazon. They hold up just fine, and you're going to be happy you switched over to these. All right, item 3 is going to be setup blocks. Now, you can use these for a multitude of things, from setting up your router bit height to your table saw blade height. This particular set also has these angles cut. Each one is at a different angle. I don't know if that's a feature I would ever use, but it is there if you want it. And as far as accuracy, I can't imagine these things are off more than a couple thousandths of an inch, if they're off at all. And in my shop, if I'm a couple thousandths of an inch within tolerance, I'm good. So unless you're doing some very high precision woodworking, save yourself some money. Get these. The comparison in price between what you're going to find at specialty stores and this set on Amazon, it's insane. Save yourself some money. Get some of these setup blocks today. All right, the next item is not an Amazon exclusive. This is a countersink bit made by Amana. These have been around a while, and you've probably seen these already floating around YouTube, but I wanted to throw this in on this video because it's available at Amazon for the same exact price as the manufacturer's website, Rockler, Woodcraft, etc. You get the benefit of speedy delivery with Amazon. This thing is spot on. It's got adjustments for the actual drill bit. It's got adjustments for the countersink portion of this, and this spins, so when you are drilling in your countersinks, you're not going to get any burning or marring on your surface. Head over, grab one of these today. Best $43 you're going to spend. And finally, we're going to talk about toggle clamps. These are great when you're making table saw jigs or router table jigs. I am in the process behind this camera of making a couple jigs as we speak. I've got a taper jig in process. That video will be up soon, as well as I'm going to be doing a raised panel cutter / tenoning jig. These will come in handy. I'm going to show you a price comparison on the screen here from what you can get a set of 4 of these priced at versus one single toggle clamp from Rockler. It's an amazing price difference. You are going to get quality with POWERTEC products, as we discussed in our previous video. POWERTEC is headquartered here in the US. They make quality products, and I will tell you right now, these things are going to have the strength to hold down anything I would ever use them for. I don't ever see the need to have a toggle clamp that has a 250 or a 500-pound holding pressure. To me, that's just overkill. I need it to hold some of my 1x4 stock in place when I'm tapering it or when I'm running it across my router bit. So that's it today, guys. 5 more items that you can pick up on Amazon. Save yourself some money. I got in my last video a lot of comments, people talking about, well, why would I buy from Amazon when I can go to my local store and I can have some conversation with the employees and fellow woodworkers? I get that aspect of it, but there are not a lot of those stores in every single one of my viewers' areas. I have a Woodcraft and a Rockler because I live in the city of Houston, but I will tell you, when I need something simple like CA glue, or I need to replenish my drawer slides, I'm not fighting Houston traffic 45 minutes one direction when I can have it dropped off at my door probably the next morning at no additional charge when I already have a Prime account. So that's the whole purpose of these videos that I'm doing. So again, 5 more items that you can pick up on Amazon, save yourself some money. Links to all of these products are down below. Like I said in my first video, getting you guys to purchase through the links is my way of asking you for your support without asking you for your support. So if you don't mind, get down there and click those links, do some shopping, pick yourself up some of these items on Amazon. You're going to be glad you did. We will catch you next time.